Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the OBD Key Fob Programmer tool for Jeep, Dodge, and Chrysler vehicles. Let's talk about convenience, cost saving, and compatibility. First off, this tool is a game changer when it comes to convenience. Say goodbye to costly appointments with key manufacturers or dealerships. With this kit, you're empowered to program your own keys right from the comfort of your garage. Now, let's talk about saving some serious cash. Traditional key replacements can burn a hole in your wallet, but not anymore. This tool cuts out the middleman, saving you both time and money. But does it work for your car? Well, if you're driving a Jeep, Dodge, or Chrysler, chances are it's compatible. Just be sure to double-check your vehicle's make, model, and year before purchasing. Installation is a breeze, folks. You don't need to be a tech genius to figure it out. Just plug the programmer into your car's OBD port, follow a few simple steps, and you're good to go. No need for expensive dealer programming or lengthy installations. Now, it's worth mentioning that this tool isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's specifically designed for vehicles with keyless entry, so if your car doesn't have that feature, this might not be the right fit for you. And here's a pro tip. You can use this tool up to 4 times to create keys, but each key is tied to a unique vehicle. Overall, if you're looking to take control of your car's key programming, this tool is a must-have. It's convenient, cost-effective, and compatible with a range of vehicles. Say hello to hassle-free key programming with the OBD Key Fob Programmer tool. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.